Government no stop take China money, okay? They no stop take China money and build a new road and digging up the earth, so our natural drainage for when we get a lot of flood and a lot of water is being disrupted. What I really wanted to talk about today was all the rain that has been pouring down on Jamaica and all the floodings that have been going on. First, I have to say that we as people need to be responsible and know where we are building our houses and make sure it's not close to a river, make sure it's not close to the edge of a mountain that it can slide, close to places that are used to, or landslides happen a lot when there's a lot of rain. Make sure you know where you're building your houses and building your property, because building houses in Jamaica is a investment and it's so hard to see people lose everything. Another thing that I really need our people to be careful of is trash. Just throwing their trash everywhere and anywhere in these drains and not being publicly aware of what you're throwing away and where you're throwing it. I need my people to be more aware and be held more accountable. They also, so let's talk about the other side. I feel like though, if these public officials spend as much money investing in cleaning the drains, consistently investing in keeping people accountable for throwing away their waste and their trash in public spaces, like actually fining them for throwing away their trash and stuff, when you see it happening, especially these officers themselves will participate and throw away trash out their window when they're driving. I've seen it before when I was in Jamaica. So if they actually started holding themselves and people accountable, people would stop doing it. Also, the amount of money that they spend on campaigning, the amount of money that they steal consistently, I feel like a lot of that money could be put to better use, and better use to clean these drains, get people better land space for them to build their houses. A lot of the rich and wealthy take over the best places that you can build your property on, and I feel like it's time now that the government intervened and actually give middle class or poor people great places to build their homes and actually build their lives, and not be forced to go into ghetto areas to build them house, because that's the only place them can get land, or that's the only place that they feel like they will be comfortable. And I also feel like they're not hiring enough people to clean, and they're not cleaning consistently, and this is a big issue as to why all these floodings are happening. And also the natural drainage system that we have, because Jamaica is an island, it's being disrupted because we're building new infrastructures. And the Jamaican government no stop take China money, okay? They no stop take China money and build a new road and digging up the earth, so our natural drainage for when we get a lot of flood and a lot of water is being disrupted. And this needs to also be factored in when they're making these new roads and these new buildings and building these new infrastructure. When they're going to do this, make sure they have a plan as to what's going to happen to the water. When you cut through this portion of the land, is the water going to slide down the hill and wash with all of the people them houses with up on the side of the highway, because we cut through them place and the land is not normally used to being cut through like this, cut through and dig up. So I feel like that also needs to be factored in to this whole disaster relief, okay? I feel like that is a necessary part of it. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. What are your solutions as to reducing the amount of damage we get from natural disasters like hurricanes, rain, probably a tsunami, earthquake. What are your relief solution, and what do you think can make it better, so people are not constantly losing everything and having to start over? Comment in the comment section. So I saw this meme on Instagram and I thought it was completely hilarious. So, and it says 300,000 Jamaican dollars, and I will inbox your man to see if he's cheating on you. For an additional 1,000 Jamaican dollars, I will meet up with him on a date and let you catch us. Feel free to bring a recorder. If you want to beat him up, I can take him to an abandoned place for 2,000 Jamaican dollars, and for an extra 1,500 Jamaican dollars, I will help you beat him. 10% off all offer for the month of November. Visit Trinity underscore on IG for more details. And I thought this was hilarious. So somebody said, Sender, are you recruiting? Because me, I do these games for free. I need to start getting paid. Another person say, have to create job in a them time. Yeah. Remember, a girl pay a girl to do this, and she take the money and the man. Another one say, me can go in a him phone for free, Sender. The other one say, these rates are cheap in light of the associated risk. God know it's cheap for true. More up prices them, because you probably get big stone, you probably get lick down, you probably get scrape up, all type of things. Somebody man Sender, you want fit, somebody man you want to take Sender. Yo, no since your COVID time, no girl now vex with them man, you know. This sound like a good business opportunity. I do not support abuse though. Somebody said if hustler was a person, that's facts. And somebody said this should be illegal. Somebody else said, how much for the bundle deal? I'm interested, Sender. She said, no, this is serious. She's creating a little niche market with her crazy, unique services, and I agree. I actually agree. And somebody said, like the idea, let's put a crew together, a few girls in each parish. This is crazy but exciting. And somebody said, for the man, they might have the name services. Mine come with original lyrics also to help take your girl from you. Nah, help you beat her though. DM if interested. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Would you actually do this? Would you hire a service like this? You know them have cheaters over here in the US, and then follow the cheater, and then they go back and show the footage and everything to the person that hired them. I think this would be a good idea. So comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what your thoughts are, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.